Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 3D snaps not working in AutoCAD using the easy method. This is a great way to turn back on your heavy shape markers on your current setup session so your mouse pointer stops missing the corners of your solid items while you work. Step 1. Turn on the Master Dimensional Snap button. The first step is to locate the main switch at the bottom of your screen that controls catching points for heavy solid blocks because it is usually turned completely off by default. Look at the long row of small toggle icons at the very bottom right corner of your software window. Find the symbol that looks like a small dimension box with a glowing corner, or press the F4 key on your keyboard. Watch the small confirmation carefully to make sure the 3 osnap turned on, meaning the tool is wide awake. Because your regular flat line snaps cannot see the top, bottom, or depth corners of a solid shape, you have to turn on this separate dimensional switch so the software knows to start tracking depth on your screen canvas. Without this step, your mouse pointer will just float right past your solid shapes without catching anything. Step 2. Clear out any flat view locks. Now you need to change a hidden calculation rule inside your options folder to make sure the program is allowed to look at different heights instead of forcing your mouse to stay on a completely flat ground map. Type the word OSNAPZ into the empty typing bar at the bottom of your screen, hit the Enter key on your keyboard, type the number 0, and press Enter one more time. Verify on the bottom text line that the system value has successfully registered and dropped down to 0. Because if this hidden setting is accidentally set to the wrong number, it forces your mouse to pretend everything in your file is completely flat. Even if you try to click the top corner of a tall box, the program engine will pull your click down to the floor level. Shifting this value back to 0 removes that flat restriction so your pointer can move up and down freely. Step 3. Update your view mode to show the markers clearly. The final step is to change how your solid shapes look on your monitor because some view styles can accidentally hide your helper markers and make them hard to see. Move your pointer to the very top left corner of your drawing workspace canvas, click on the small word inside brackets that says Realistic or Shaded, and switch it to 2D wireframe or X-ray. Pick up a basic drawing line tool, move your cursor near the corner of your big shape, and verify that a bright marker instantly snaps your arrow to the point. This is the final step because heavy color styles can sometimes block out the green and blue helper icons on your screen. Shifting the view to a see-through mode lets the alignment markers pop right through the solid walls clearly. Now your dimensional snap fix setup is completely finished and your tools are perfectly accurate. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's it. To fix 3D snaps not working in AutoCAD, you must first press F4 to turn on your dimensional snaps so your mouse can see depth. Next, you type OSNAPZ and set it to 0 to stop the program from forcing your clicks down to the flat floor level. Finally, you switch your view mode to wireframe or X-ray to make the alignment markers show up clearly through the solid walls. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.